Pantone Color of the Year 2026, The Cloud Dancer. Ito ang official Color of the Year 2026 according to Pantone. From last year's Mocha Mousse, here comes the first white color of the year unveiled by Pantone, the Cloud Dancer. Pantone is the leading company in color brands, kung kaya't sila ang laging may last say sa kung ano nga ba ang color of the year kada taon to best fit and embrace the life changes and styles of every year, from fashion to electronics, home decors, and interior paints. This Cloud Dancer White Color of the Year 2026 will shine after the Pantone's announcement last night. Dito sa Pilipinas, nagtatalo-talo na. Kesyo, nakabili na sila ng kurtina kasi akala nila yung transformative teal na ang color of the year 2026. Well, transformative teal was announced by WGSN and Coloro as their color of the year 2026. So, WGSN and Coloro ay isa lang din po silang color brand na mas maagang nag-a-announce ng napipili nilang color of the year kada taon, kagaya ng iba pang paint and color brands all over the world. Each company has its own color of the year pick na pinag-isipan din nila na siyang magre-representa ng kanilang brand for a specific year. And just last night, Pantone announced and revealed the 2026 color of the year, the Cloud Dancer. Ito ang pinakaunang white color na ginawang color of the year ng Pantone. This Cloud Dancer provides highest versatility, allowing all other colors to shine. Isama man natin ito sa pastel colors o kahit sa mga pinakamatitingkad na neon colors, this Cloud White color will give us that perfect blend to keep the right amount of color balance in almost everything. Ito yung kulay na masyadong malawak ang kayang marating. Hindi nangangaway, very calming and relaxing. This white shade can really adapt, harmonize, create contrast, bring airy lightness, at magiging isa sa mga best classic color na hinding-hindi basta mawawala. To embrace the momentum of this 2026 color of the year, Pantone already showed us some top picks and examples of Cloud Dancer, from fashion to structural paints and interiors. This is one addition to minimalist, modern, and fresh color na bagay para sa isang bagong pag-asa, pagbangon, at longing natin to find that peace na masyadong ginulo ng taong 2025. Once again, this Pantone Color of the Year 2026 Cloud Dancer, kagaya din ng transformative teal ng WGSN and Coloro, is not the lucky color for the year 2026, but the color that will surely dominate our market and brand colors para sa taong ito. Marami tayong mga produktong makikita sa market in this hue or shades of color sa darating na taong 2026. While this color is based on what's in and what would soothe our interest and sight, the lucky color of the year 2026 is merely based on the official element that would enhance positivity and go along well with the Chinese zodiac for the year 2026, which is the year of the fire horse. According to Chinese 5 elements theory, ang kulay pula or fiery red ang pangunahing kulay na katambal ng elemento ng apoy. This hot red color is associated and connected to fire element, a symbol of passion, love, vitality, and determination. For the year 2026, the luckiest color of the year is red. This fiery color will add up to year 2026 breakthroughs. Ang tingkad ng kulay na ito will fuel and level up the prosperity and positive flows of energy ng taong 2026. With this much red representation, we are positive that the year of the Fire Horse 2026 will be very good and strikingly auspicious. And the good news is, red, kahit gaano man ito ka-fiery, can goes along perfectly sa Pantone color of the year na Cloud Dancer. When modernization meets the lucky color, it surely is very perfect. Perfect to start a new year with full hopes for every life details that we aim to have and achieve sa taong 2026. Hindi lang naman sa kulay na iaasa ang swerte ng taon. Though this is one of our easiest practice taga-taon, ang mag-abang at sundin ang luckiest colors o ang official na color of the year along with all our prayers and hopes as we welcome a brand new year. Our goodness, determination, palagi ang lakas, sipag at tiyaga with God's grace and guidance are our best weapon upang makamit lahat ng kasaganaan at upang matiwasay na mag-survive kada taon. Right now, we need more prayers. Kapit lang po tayo at sabay-sabay nating i-claim na ang Year of the Fire Horse is a great year full of success stories, brand new hopes, and fulfilled dreams para sa ating lahat. Once again, it's me, Gian, and thank you so much for always watching.